Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify PC availability on Chase Cards easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify PC availability on Chase Cards, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Chase website by typing www.chase.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Once the home page loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields and click on Sign In. If you do not have an account, click on the Not Enrolled link to set up your online banking access. After logging in, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. From the dashboard, find the Accounts tab and select it to view your linked Chase accounts. Select the Chase card you want to check for PC availability. On the card details page, look for the Benefits or Offers section. Check for any promotional text regarding PC or points conversion availability. If there's no information displayed, consider the Help or Customer Service option. You can also access the Rewards tab if available to see if you are eligible for a points conversion. For further clarity, initiate a live chat or call customer service using the provided contact information. During the call, ask the representative about any available PCs for your Chase card. Take note of any specific requirements or conditions that may apply. Once you have gathered all the information, you can decide your next steps regarding PC usage. If applicable, follow the instructions given by the representative to complete the process. Finally, log out of your Chase account for security purposes when you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.